let's do some examples where we have, we're gonna simplify, and we're also going to decide if the equation's a contradiction, identity, or conditional. So actually, I would like you to pause the video and work on 12, 13, 14, 15. Press play when you're ready, and also decide if it's the conditional, identity, or contradiction. So here we go. Distribute the 2 first on both sides. So we've got 2h plus 12 minus 7 equals 4h minus 2h minus 14. Combining like terms on the left, we have 2h plus, what is that? 5? Yep, 5 equals 2h minus 14. Well, here I see that the 2 h's will zero out, and we're left with 5 equals 14. But is that a true statement? No. So then the answer is no solution, so it's this empty set, or what I call the null set. So this is a contradiction. That is a contradiction. For number 13, jumping ahead a little bit, what we can do is we can multiply this whole thing through by 10 so that we can get rid of the decimals. Well, actually, even before that, I lied. Because look, if I just rearrange the left-hand side, this is 6 minus 2.3p equals 6 minus 2.3p. So now, do we have that exact same thing on the left and right side? Yup. So, is this an identity? Yup. So, identity. And what's the actual answer? Yeah, all real numbers that script are or negative infinity to infinity with parentheses. Remember, we want parentheses because brackets mean including, and parentheses mean, if I can write, excluding. So parentheses around infinity because we can never actually include infinity. For 14, to give you a little peek into your future, I'm going to multiply both sides through a 3 to get rid of the denominator, because that is the least common denominator, or the LCD. So I've got 2g plus 15 equals g minus 12. So where did the 2 and the g come from? Well, 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 3 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3, but over 3 is just 1. Or the reason why I chose 3 specifically is so that these 3's the 3's from the denominator reduce out with the 3. That's why I chose 3 to begin with. So now, just getting everything to the right side, I'm going to move g to the left. So we've got g equals, moving 15 to the right, g now equals negative 27. So this is a perfectly logical, fine solution. So g equals negative 27. So is that conditional, contradiction, or an identity? Conditional. Because only under these conditions does g equal negative 27. Okay, and I'm going to leave 15 for you to finish up or get the answer from me later. So 16 reads, if an equation has no solution, then is the equation a conditional equation, identity, or a contradiction? So remember, if I've got no solution, is it conditional, identity, or contradiction? Contradiction.